Jai Sriman Narayana. 39th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yesha te abhihita sankhye buddhiryoge tu imam srunu buddhya yuktaha yaya pardha karma bandham prahasyasi. Om. Perform your work with the realization of true nature of yourself. That will remove all the karma bondage. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option to every one of us in 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, asking every one of us to surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall perform my work with the realization of true nature of myself. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, I have told you about Narishyanta's dynasty. Now I am going to tell you about Dishtu's Vamsam. Dishtu's son is Nabhaga. Nabhaga's son is Balandana. Balandana's son is Vatsapriti. Vatsapriti's son is Pramsu. Pramsu's son is Pramati. Pramati's son is Khanitra. Khanitra's son is Chakshusha. His son is Vivimsati. Vivimsati's son is Rambha. Rambhu's son is Khaninetra. Khaninetra's son is Karandhama. Karandhama's son is Avikshita. Avikshita's son is Maruttu. Maruttu became such a great emperor. And Mahayogi Samvarta had Marutta perform such a great yajna. Maruttasya yadha yajno na tadhanyosti kaschana. That yajna was such a great yajna. Nobody was able to perform that kind of yajna. And Then Marutta's son is Dama. Dama's son is Rajyavardhana. Rajyavardhana's son is Sudruti. Sudruti's son is Naru. Naru's son is Kevala. Kevala's son is Dundhumana. Dundhumana's son is Vegavana. Vegavana's son is Buddha. His son is Trunabindu. That Trunabindu became the king of this entire world, entire earth. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 39th sloka. Yesha te bhihita sankhye buddhir yoge tvimam shrunu buddhya yukto yayah pardha karma bandham prahasyasi. Yesha te bhihita sankhye buddhir yoge tvimam shrunu buddhya yukto yayah pardha karma bandham prahasyasi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.